Hi, I'm Jared Nelson from the Investing Channel, and welcome to The Juice. Stanley Black & Decker had enough. As ports clogged and freight bills skyrocketed, management accelerated plans for 2 new factories in Mexico and Fort Worth. And they aren't alone. Spurred by logistical nightmares with no end in sight, manufacturers have turned to an age-old operations decision. Build closer to save on logistics, or further away to save on manufacturing costs. For those who slept through your operations management class, a company's total supply chain costs include procurement, i.e., raw materials, manufacturing, transportation, and retail sales. Companies set up networks based on the total lowest cost overall. Lower transport costs favor manufacturing in low-cost labor environments, i.e., overseas. And higher transport costs, like now, favor locations closer to customers. Keep in mind, putting production closer to customers introduces a host of additional benefits, including time to market, fewer stock outages, and more reliable costs. And normally, this would be great news for labor. However, wage inflation incentivizes companies to build larger and more automated facilities. And in the last decade, technology costs plummeted as innovation coupled with wider usage created economies of scale. Morgan Stanley economists forecast that global investment will reach 115 and 121% of pre-recession levels by the end of 2021 and 2022, a faster recovery than previous downturns. So who benefits? Well, construction and engineering companies stand to do well. Stocks include Fluor, Jacobs Engineering, AECOM, and the like. Industrial REITs with warehousing space should see higher tenant rates and better utilization. Stocks include Stag Industrial, Prologis, WP Carey, and others with specific ties to manufacturing, logistics, and industrial parks. The bottom line is this. As long as logistics and wage costs remain high, manufacturers will want to build more facilities closer to customers and automate them. That's all we have time for today on The Juice. Click, follow, and subscribe to The Juice email for your daily dose of market minerals.